Hello, this is Blake. I recently purchased the Blu-ray plus DVD plus digital copy of Coraline, and 2-disc collector's edition. It was at a pretty good price, and then it was a little bit even cheaper at Best Buy, so I picked it up. So I'm curious about the 3D version and the glasses and what that's like. So I'm especially interested to see what that's like, and I'll just have unboxing. It's a pretty nice outer case that I might keep, and I think it's kind of funny that I think part of the 3D experience is to make people. Here's the outer case, which I think I'll keep. That the part of the reason for the 3D experience is to get people in the theater. So I'm curious to see what the 3D experience is like at home. Okay, so here's the bonus disc and the security patch. Here are the 3D glasses, and on the packaging, well, somewhere I saw a picture of the glasses that were contained, and they looked a little bit more high-tech than this. You know, in the theater, you get something which looked just like a pair of shades, just like sunglasses. So this looks more like the red and blue tint in the lenses that you know, you see in movies. I think one's a little green, actually. Yes. So maybe that's different. Now these are all have the Coraline logo on them. Okay. Alright, so there's 2 discs here. There's the this is the Blu-ray disc, and I guess this is the bonus disc. Okay, we'll check it out. Okay, I've begun the experience now. You know, so I thought that perhaps the menu itself would be 3D as well, because about as soon as I put in the disc, it asked if I wanted the 3D or the 2D version. But the menus itself were in 2D, and yeah, this is pretty good. So then the menu was in 3D, and then when it said to play the movie, it even gave a little bit of instructions about you know, so that for the best 3D experience, you want your room to be dark, and if you have a plasma or LCD TV, to put it in the standard mode. Well, okay, so right there is the I I think the best 3D trick they had going with the needle through the cloth, which, as I remember in the theater, was quite a spectacle, and something that others noted too. It looks, when I first saw the Universal logo and then the opening credits, it didn't even look that much 3D, but now it's looking more so. The when I've used these kind of 3D glasses in the past, you see red on one side and blue, or in this case green, on the other, and I didn't see that much. So in the starting credits, it looked almost it looked normal, but now when I look with the glasses off, it is a little fuzzy, and then this seems to look pretty good. I'm not sure if I back up, if that changes anything, but I gotta say that the starting sequence with sewing the dolls, and that was a nice. That was a nice display of the 3D, and looking at it now, it seems very nice. So it's probably not as much of a good experience as being in the theaters, because those were some nice glasses. But I think this is going to work out nicely.